MAMBURA Mûthia kurombera mututigi mutongere wa bathatu wa nthiguru ya Kenya Mwai KIBAKI ni jakarikite kenine kemichetho Kenya Stadium muchine munene jo Nairobi mangiri ja Kenya ni baikinyite kenine kiu kenda kuringira mutongeri ubangi barabakinyite ni atongere kuma nthiguru ne chaome barakinyabo bakathite mututigi kumanya kinya na otongera bawe ndire ari utongeriene mwandiki wetu wantito kuma muchine munene jo Nairobi na gukari MAMBURA ni jija arinante tonkuruke
open the gates of paradise to your servant.
Na nyumemise nkuruki ethari muna nusu Bishop munene wa Catholic Diocese ya Nyeri Anthony Mweria na arugurire kanya kando aria indi ari na bombere bambiria kwaria banenkronyo.
Our dear beloved President Emilio Mwai KIBAKI should be free from any political speeches.
Onyonyo ete ukarie mbotho.
I've been asked today to talk about our president, but without talking about politics. I don't know how to eulogize a politician without talking politics.
I also can see his shadow and influence in what is going to become of the 5th President of Kenya.
I remember when I was walking into Parliament buildings where Mzee was lying in state on Tuesday, and I was saluted by so many military officers. I started thinking, wow, is this what it is all about? I can kind of get used to this. Maybe I'll give it a try.
Ndeitha mwabu mungana jo mune jo ndwari mututigireci obathatu nthiguru ya Kenya KIBAKI nethirwa gikiro bubwega na inya kuthombera nkumyo kibali nontu botongere bubwega kumakire thirikari mbere jo Kenyatta munkakire thirikari we.
After shaking hands, the other people now wanted to come into the room to try to persuade him not to agree. He told them tumemaliza kila kitu. Sasa kuna kitu tena tunakwenda kuongea na dunia sasa. And we came out and shook hands with Mwai KIBAKI, and he kept those words. There were differences sometimes in the course of running the government, but all of them were able to resolve them amicably.
A distinguished public servant that rose through the ranks, both in the opposition and in government. And of course, the greatest president Kenya ever had.
Ere otube Rais Uhuru Kenyatta neo nethirwa kiromba atongeria momoroba gisiasa bethro bekomia KIBAKI kire siasa ewe utongeria bwawe ne nyankuruki maendeleo jawe.
If he was with us here today, he would have instructed us to choose leadership over politics. He would have told us that leadership is about vision, politics is about positions, and that nations are founded on visions.
Cyril Ramaphosa, Rais wa nthiguru South Africa, na Saili Sende, Rais wa nthiguru Ethiopia, ibona mututigi KIBAKI na ngwataniro njega na nthiguru ciaome.
During his tenure, our two countries signed the Special Status Agreement, laying the foundation for the Lamu Port, South Sudan-Ethiopia Corridor project, known as LAPSET, as well as the Moyale one-stop border post.
We remember President KIBAKI for the leadership that he demonstrated, not only to Kenya, but also to the African continent. We remember him for his commitment to the people of Kenya and indeed to all of us as Africans. But we especially remember him for his leadership in uniting the people of Kenya. And for us as South Africans, we saw him in the mold in which we saw our own first president, President Nelson Mandela.
Mwankera ntukwerojora kethre no kwa jeshi nthiguru ya Kenya ne kethre tongeria MAMBURA ja mwanka Mûthia. Na gatigaire rais wa bathatu nthiguru ya Kenya Mwai Kibaki agongie kiri na ringeri saruti ya muthia ya Kenya na ndia kethura yiko kirimo tolerio gorobwa ntuko na arua ara ntuko roja kethura kini kwa imoko mu kanture getuani Othaya kaunti ya Nyeri. Nikiripoti na Toshero TV kumaja kene Kenya yo kingina ngine kifuke Nairobi beta Boniface Mongera.